Fran's over here getting the car ready for some testing.
Yes, sir, because it's a turd and we got to make it not a turd.
How was it racing? How'd it feel with the new motor and everything?
It was good. I mean, no different than before.
Everything's
Just doing a quick
looking good
nut and bolt check
sweet.
on everything.
You got to on these things.
Oh yeah, this thing will rattle everything loose.
Guys, so it looks like Matt and Fran are getting the race car ready for some testing tonight at our local track, Cecil County. Matt's in the process of swapping over some fresh slicks on the car. He's mounting them right now. Already got one done. Looks like he's trying out the Mickey ET drag this time as opposed to the Hoosiers last time. Hopefully they work out for him. I think they just got a couple of little maintenance things to work on, and then they're gonna head out later this afternoon. Matt over here dialing this thing in for some testing tonight. Just putting a fresh set of plugs in it. Yeah.
The Turnpike is...
Dude, Jersey Turnpike
is the best.
is legit the best. Everyone gives space. Everyone does 80.
Yeah.
Like,
Well, it's
there's
just
no
like the
fighting.
PA Turnpike when we went to Ohio.
Exactly. It just works out.
Yeah.
You know, everything else about Jersey sucks.
There's very rarely
But the
traffic
Turnpike
on
works
it.
out pretty bad.
Huh?
The Turnpike works out pretty good.
Yeah. Hey, if
The
you
rest
can
of
get
the
to it
state,
close to your
the
house.
jug handles and shit, roundabouts, that's dumb as shit.
Yeah. Right. If you can get to it close to your house, it's fucking, especially coming here. It's so easy to come here on a Turnpike. The rest of the covers people.
That's one thing. Running them that kind of fight on them that fast and shit.
Yeah. Dude, but that was one, like, we're gonna need to change it every day. That
No,
was
we're
Friday.
probably just gonna have to plug the oil pan heater no matter what in at night and let it burn off.
yeah.
Because like, it's just, we don't run the car long enough. It all being solid, the way he idles it so fat, it's just gonna get slobbery like that. So we'll just have to, like, at the end of the day, plug the oil heater in and let it run for a couple hours.
Yeah.
First rip, Cecil test day. Let's get it.
Well, it didn't like that at all. It didn't move. Try again. .130 60 foot, which is exactly what it went in Norwalk, in eliminations around 1, and that's the tune-up he put back in there. He just wanted to see if it would go down. It still sounds like it's breaking up top. So I don't know, we'll see. But we had to wait out a little sprinkle for about 5 minutes or so, but I think that's passed, and I think that was all the rain that we were supposed to get today. So we'll see what the data looks like and try and go faster. I lied. Don told me 130, but 130 was the mile an hour it went in the 8th because I let out. It went at 126.60, so that's something there, but it just sounds, motor don't really sound happy. It sounds like it's breaking up or something, so I don't know. We'll see what the day log says, but I mean, that's a half decent 60 foot. It's a start, so we'll go from there.
Well, it didn't like that.
Although I will say that it sounded like it had a lot more power, which may be why it didn't like that, but let's time will tell. I forgot to turn the camera on before my burnout, but whatever. We're just basically making a run. There's 3 cars here today. Me, Melanie Salemi, and Stevie Faster here. So we're just making rips. I'm sending a data log to Jamie. Jamie's looking over everything, and we're telling him like what the car feels like, you know, blah blah blah, and kind of putting all mine, Don, and his heads together, and kind of working on there. We'll figure it out. We got a bunch more hours here, weather depending, but we got like 4 more hours at the track. Laughed and then blew the tires off. I think what we're struggling with now is that when we're trying to technically lean it out and add more power, it's doing that and it's making too much, and we have to keep technically adding power and then pulling power away from the ramp. Just part of figuring a new combo out. Not necessarily a new combo, but it's a whole new ECU. So it's like, we can't just like put a Holly tune in a fuel tech. So we got to relearn everything. I got more sensors on it now, and I got pan vac, and I got 4 shock sensors. I got laser ride height sensor. I got tire temp, track temp, like you name it. I got a sensor for it. So I don't know if that'll be our last one or not for today, because the rain is definitely coming. I'll keep you guys updated. Well, it went down the goddamn track. I don't know how fast it went. Let me check real quick. 491 at 155. 125, 60, 329 to the 330. It's the fastest pass we've made yet. Now, the only thing we changed was the tire. It's on a Mickey right now. So that's not a bad sign. That felt good. Progress. and it is a regular just street car night at Cecil. So there's all kinds of normal cars, which is what we kind of wanted because it's similar to probably like PDRA prep. So that's why we wanted to test. Like, we can't really test on like radial prep nights or track rentals or whatever because it's way too sticky. Like, we would obviously get down and shit like that on that. So this is what it is. Solid night so far. I mean, I don't really have any video besides this and what Don is recording on a cell phone outside the car, but we'll try and put something together. I don't know if I told you what it ran. 488 at 152, 124 60, 326 to 330. Pretty good. That's the best we've went on the fuel tech so far. So it's data. We didn't really have a bunch of good data before. We kept having issues spinning. So I mean, whatever. Now we're getting on the track and it feels okay. That pass felt good. It didn't sound like it was on the traction control at all. Maybe once or twice, but pretty good. Holy shit, this sun is brutal. I don't know if you guys can see it in my eyes, but it's there. That felt fast, whatever it was. Let's find out. Huh, not that fast. 491, 151. 123.60 though, so fast 60, but I don't know, felt faster than that. That's kind of weird. That's all I got for now.
So Fran said testing went pretty well. I guess he's pretty happy with these new Mickeys, new tires. Now you're getting ready for MIR this week.
Yeah, I'm just changing the trans fluid, changing the oil. Might do a compression test just for fun.
Nice.
I think that's about it. Eric's putting a new condenser in the smart car, so that has AC again.
That'll be nice. It's gonna be pretty warm this weekend too. So it's definitely a must-have.
You know, just a great shop effort here, getting ready for this race this weekend.
Oh yeah.
Love to see it. Everybody on the race team.
Teamwork, baby.